the tutorial on Microsoft Excel here on how to ensure or to make sure uh, the input data as a data input that is not duplicated by using the input validation feature. So for example, we have names and then number code, and so if you want to input the data that is not duplicated with the previous input, so it will be important here. For example, I want to input here a 1 or 5, so can be it can be written here. So if we want to set here, make a setting, and then with a same input, it's not duplicate input, we cannot write here on the Microsoft Excel. So it's very important. So there is no same or duplicate input here on your Microsoft Excel, especially if you want to write number code. Okay, because code from each person, from everyone, from every people, everybody will do not have the same code. Okay, that's very important to know about it. Okay, here we need to block the cells that you want to make input data that is not duplicated, and then go to the data, and then data validation, and then click here, and then go to settings, and in the validation criteria you need to check here as the in allow box there's any value. Okay, so it should be a unique data, or it should not be duplicated, and there are many choices, some choices on the allow box on the data variations on the settings menu here. And so if you want to know about it, custom, okay, if you want to make an input data validation with the custom formula, okay, because we have our own formula to make here, and then custom, just select custom or choose custom, and then formula here we need to write here. So if there's the same data or same number or same code, so it is invalid. Okay, it is unpredicted, or it is not right. Okay, that's our formula here. So the data should not be duplicated or should not be the same. Okay, to answer or to make sure with equal to sign 1, so we should count the data that we want to input on the Microsoft Excel, and we will use the COUNTIF formula here, equal to sign, and then COUNTIF, open the brackets, it's from B2 until B11. But if you want to expand the data, just B and then B. Okay, so we will choose all of the data as a column. Okay, B colon B. It means that we want to make a formula COUNTIF to all of the cells from the B columns. Okay, B colon B, and then comma B2. Do not forget to input the cells, the active cells from B2, because that cell active, the active cell or that we want to make a formula. Then B2, and then close bracket. Okay, so we will input here, or we will write here with make sure the data is not over 1. Okay, not over 1. It's only one data for one code. Okay, that's with this sign. Okay, this lower equal to sign 1. It's from settings, and then go to input message after this, and I think that is not that doesn't need to change, and then going to error alert, and then title from the error alert is number duplicated. Okay, the title is number duplicate, comma, and then make sure that there is no duplicate code or duplicate number on the cells that we want to make our formula. Okay, make sure. Okay, make sure. Okay, this is number duplicate, and make sure again. And then after this, after we set all of this, finish the setting, and then okay. So for example, we will write this value doesn't match the validation restrictions defined for the cell. A105 is already done here on the cells B5. Okay, A189. Okay, number duplicate mixture again. There's a restrictions from the data validation. This doesn't match the validation process. Okay, so A188. Okay, we can write here because there is no code from the previous code containing A188. Okay, that's hopefully this might be useful for you to make the duplication that that data validation that you want to make some codes here. So if you want to make some data validation, you can see our previous videos on this channel, and hopefully this might be useful. That's how to make sure or to answer the data input that is not duplicated with another code using data validations. Bye bye. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video.